All right, y'all have to bear with me because when I filmed everything that I did in the video, I had my camera turned this way instead of sideways, so it fills the whole screen. So bear with me. It's gonna go to the skinny where you have the black on both sides. So bear with me. The next videos in the future will be correct. Sorry in advance. So I have a very small pressure washing business that I've just started. I had 2 jobs that came up that I wasn't expecting, that I wasn't ready for. I just got this. It's a 100-foot water hose. I had the crappy one that came with this. It's the 50-foot. That thing is, it takes me forever to roll that thing up, and all I do is fight it. So I got the Yamatic, or however you say it, 100-foot one. But I didn't want to spend 30 minutes just wrapping all this up. So I've got like enough on this that I can, this is like I said, a regular water hose reel, but I have enough that I can unwrap this and like pull it around like that and have enough to run around and hook in here. But when I'm trying to roll this up, I was literally just trying to stick it in here, but it doesn't really want to stay. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm rigging this up. Like, yes, is this the bare bones? But it's gonna save me a ton of time. I'm gonna show you what I have in mind to try and make this work until I order a good one. So I went to Home Depot. I picked up one of these quick connects with a male end on this side. Picked up like one of these connector, what do they call it? A female hose mender, which comes with this and this piece. And this side is a little bit bigger than this side. So I have an old hose, so I'm going to slide this on here, and then I'll open this up and put them together and link it all together. So here it is, it's together. I've got it as tight as I can. It's got a cattywampus. Is this ideal? No, but I just need to not spend an hour trying to roll this up by hand. So I'm gonna connect this together and then show y'all what I'm talking about. I screwed it on there, right there. So when I'm ready to go, and this is all the way out, let's say I have it out 50 feet, I can take this, because I need it kind of divided between the main one, between this and that, so this doesn't get tangled up. So that y'all kind of get the gist of what I'm talking about. Yes, I have this measured out to where it'll come and fit this just right. There. So now, when I am rolling this up, it's divided between this and that. When I'm pulling this out, it'll all stay like that. Likewise, when I'm rolling it up, I'll kind of keep it divided and stay on that side while I reel it up all the way. And then when I get to my next job, I just unroll all this, pull out what I need, and then once I get, what if I need all of it, 100 feet, once I do it, like I do, click connect, undo what I need, and plug it back into there. So it's just I'm in a crunch, I need something. So this is going to be what I'm using tomorrow. And then also to keep it, I had, since this has holes in the side, once I've got this bar that I had lying around, that once I have enough hose out, I'll be able to slide this through here, and it'll go all the way through, and then it'll go down and it'll stop on this, because that'll be in there to hold it, to keep it from spooling out. Is this janky? Yes. But will it work for me in a crunch? Yes. The other ones, the one that I want, I think it's by Yamatic as well. It's I think 140 bucks. Every penny that I've made, I've dropped it back into what I'm doing here to try and grow it. So that was next. I just didn't think I was gonna get any more jobs. I'm literally like doing driveways that are in the neighborhood. And then 2 popped up all of a sudden. I was like, crap, I don't want to spend all this time dealing with this, when I could easily have this rolled up the way I had to do it. The connection pieces that I got, that was like 20 bucks for those. Yeah, that's a lot for connectors, but it's gonna save me a whole lot of time when I go from one job to the next. I hope this helps for anybody that is just starting and may need a little bit of a crunch, that's in a little bit of a crunch and needs a little tip to do this. This whole thing, I think my mother-in-law got it for like $2 at a yard sale. So I'm revamping it for this. So I'm thinking about starting a channel where people can follow me and actually see a little business grow, because everybody that I see that does it, they are already like a multi-million-dollar business, or they've got all kinds of trucks. This is me starting from ground zero. My first upgrade was this bad boy. So, I mean, I'm literally starting from scratch. So if you want to see how this goes from week to week as I upgrade stuff and do it, you just give me a follow. We will go through this journey together.